Well, hi guys, it's Daz007, also known as Nedlock from uklocksport.co.uk, and today I'm going to be picking this Squire padlock. I'll just whip it out the vise. Okay, so it's a Squire. It says Ln3 on it. I think that's like, well, to identify it on their website. So I'll stick it in the vise and give it a go. Okay, in the vise now. Just getting used to my new vise. Oh, it's a little bit cheaper made than the other one, but it does the job. Now I've got, as you can see, my storm pick set through. It's only a small one, but I'm going to use the half diamond on this. I've put a bit of tape over it because it comes with no handle grip, so this, just makes it a bit easier. Okay. There's a couple of spools in here, definitely. It's definitely no easy little padlock. Oh, he says. Okay, so that's another padlock opened. Just loosen that off, and that's the Squire Ln3. Sorry, and that's I think it's a 5-pin. I haven't got the key for it. 1, 2. You can just see the markings on the side. Don't think you'll be able to see it on there, but yeah, 5-pin I'd say. I'll stick my pick in and count the pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5-pin. Okay. Thank you for watching. I'm just going to quickly mention about the let's put it that way. The Gosso tubular pick, which I'll be showing shortly. Okay, thanks very much, and remember, keep it legal.